Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use a gift card. So we'll do two examples together, one for each type of gift card. In our first example, we have a customer with a gift card for a specific service. That customer wants to make an appointment and use the gift card to pay. So here, we're gonna go to Calendar and place that appointment. Here I indicate the name of the customer. And then I'm going to click here on Customer Services. Here I find the service that she wants. So I know that she has a gift card for that specific service because of this icon over here that represents a gift. So I click on it to add it to the appointment. We still have the symbol over here representing a gift. You will also see here on the appointment in the calendar. So it means that there's a gift card linked to that appointment. And now we save. So when the customer comes back on Wednesday 6, you can then click on the appointment and click here on Create a Receipt. Then we'll find ourselves in the till, and automatically, as you can see, the gift card is already selected as a form of payment for this transaction. So now, all you have to do is click on Checkout. This last step is important. We will change the status of the gift card from usable to used, and it will enter the sale into the accounts. So the amount of the gift card will enter into your revenue only after it has been used. Now, let's do another example, this time with a gift card with a value. We'll create a new receipt. Here I'm going to indicate the name of the customer and fill her basket. Now, the customer wants to pay with a gift card, so I'm going here to click on gift card and select her gift card. Now, if the value of the gift card is higher than the total amount on the transaction, the software will offer to create a new gift card worth the difference. It means that the customer won't lose the difference and she'll be able to use it another time. So I'm going to put yes and click here on Use the selected gift card. Now, I have a new gift card in the basket, and my original gift card here will be completely used. So here, 80 plus 20 is 100, so we're good. If the amount of the gift card is lower than the total amount of the transaction, you just have to complete with another form of payment. So now I'm going to click here on Checkout. And we're going to go to Sales Tracking over here. And here, I'm going to stay on gift cards. And as we can see, here we have the new gift card for £20 that is still usable. And if I go to Used, I'm going to see the gift card that we just used together for £100. So that's it for this video. Now you know how to use a gift card. Once again, thank you for watching and see you soon.